Did you know Microsoft once spent over $10 million on a marketing campaign so crazy that fans quit their jobs to participate? In 2004, Microsoft launched I Love Bees for Halo 2. This wasn't just any advertisement, it was the most expensive gaming marketing campaign ever created. Players received mysterious GPS coordinates that led to payphones around the world. These phones would ring at exact times with cryptic alien messages that needed to be decoded. Dedicated fans drove hundreds of miles just to answer a single call. Some players spent thousands of dollars traveling between states, chasing the next clue. The game became so addictive that people abandoned their careers to play full-time. The community grew larger than most online games. The campaign generated more media buzz than Halo 2 itself. But here's the twist that shocked Microsoft. The alternate reality game was so engaging that many participants got completely absorbed in solving puzzles and never actually bought Halo 2. The marketing campaign had become more popular than the product it was selling.